Okay, so cleaning. It's often, well, a bit of a chore, right? You've got endless tasks, interruptions, and just so many different bottles and sprays.
Absolutely, it can feel overwhelming.
So today, we're diving into a tool that claims to simplify things a bit, the MOVATEK handheld steam cleaner. We want to unpack whether it really, streamlines the process.
And find those maybe surprising efficiencies. Can one gadget actually make that much difference?
That's the big question. In a world full of specialized tools, sometimes you just want one thing that works well.
Right. And it's about thoughtful design. Does this specific cleaner address those common frustrations we all have with cleaning? That's what makes it interesting.
Well, speaking of frustrations, my number one issue is stopping constantly to refill. It just kills the momentum.
Oh yeah, tiny water tanks are the worst.
But this MOVATEK unit, it has a 1200 ml tank. That's pretty big. The idea is, fewer refills, more continuous steam.
Hmm.
And that's where it gets really interesting, especially if you're tackling like a whole bathroom or kitchen floor.
Yeah, and what's fascinating here is how that large capacity works with the design. They mentioned a top opening design for refills.
Oh,
So you
great.
don't necessarily have to stop everything, unscrew a hot cap. You can potentially just top it up.
That sounds much easier.
It's about keeping that workflow going. That
Mhm.
combination, big tank, easy refill. That's what makes it genuinely useful for bigger jobs. It feels like they actually thought about the user's time.
Yeah, less stopping and starting. And it's not just about speed, is it? There's this whole angle about health and, well, cost too.
Definitely.
It runs on just tap water or distilled water, so no chemicals.
Which is huge.
Right, non-toxic. Safer if you've got kids, pets running around. That's a big relief for a lot of people, I think.
Absolutely. And if we connect that to the bigger picture, the steam itself is doing the heavy lifting. High temperature steam sanitizes, breaks down grease and grime.
Without needing bleach or ammonia or whatever else.
Exactly. So that eco-friendly part directly leads to it being cost-effective. You're not constantly buying chemical cleaners for every different surface.
Good point. Fewer bottles under the sink.
And potentially fewer gadgets overall if this one thing can do a lot. It positions itself as this kind of all-in-one tool, which saves money over time. Good for the planet, good for the wallet.
And the versatility claims are, well, pretty broad. They list everything from bathroom tiles, kitchen counters,
Hmm.
windows, to hard floors, grout, upholstery, furniture, even the car.
Wow, yeah. Grout is always a tough one.
Right. It sounds like you could potentially clean almost anything. But, dealing with hot steam, there must be safety things to keep in mind.
Oh, absolutely. That's crucial. It's high temperature steam, so you need to be sensible. Don't touch the steam hose directly.
Makes sense.
Wearing gloves is probably a good idea. And they mentioned ensuring a waterproof washer is installed right, likely to prevent leaks or unexpected spurts of hot water.
Okay. Basic precautions.
Exactly. But the design itself, they say, is user-friendly. Ergonomic handle, simple controls. So it shouldn't be intimidating, even for someone who hasn't used a steam cleaner before.
So accessible for most people then.
It seems so. It kind of democratizes deep cleaning. But it's important to be realistic. It's great for sanitizing and lifting grime, but it's probably not going to magically remove years of baked-on, like, oven crud without some scrubbing.
Right. It's not a miracle worker for everything.
And you'd want to be careful on, say, unsealed wood or very delicate fabrics. Know what it's good for.
Okay, so what does this all mean? Wrapping it up, the MOVATEK steamer, it really does seem to tick a lot of boxes.
Hmm.
Efficient because of the tank, eco-friendly with just water, super versatile across surfaces, and cost-effective in the long run. It tackles those common cleaning headaches.
Yeah, it really aims to simplify things. But beyond just thinking about it as another cleaning gadget, maybe consider this. How can one well-designed tool change not just how you do a task, but also align with other values?
Like sustainability or saving money.
Exactly. It prompts a more intentional approach. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other daily chores or routines could be transformed if we found that one smart, all-in-one solution? Something to think about next time you're facing a cleaning day.